part 5 now, and then wait, look at those beach. Wait, I will show you. Channel. Is it that cool, right?
It's not cool.
Whatever.
Yeah.
So I thought maybe
Para mamaya. Kaya ka pa rin silang.
alright. So we're gonna get taking a YouTube channel for everybody, right? And okay, first. Oops, sorry, it's just. Hey. Whatever. All right. Hey.
You sound like.
All right. Let me show you this first. Okay, and then I just stop looking and oops. Sorry, just be careful. Alright, wait. And I'll show you this picture first. Wait. Perfect. Okay, now I'll show you this. Alright, so we're in the beach, and maybe later. So if I just log in, alright, wait, okay, alright, so we're just having vlogging me and YouTube channel, and just hit there. Alright. Okay. And like this video if you like part 6, and then you will see it, right?